viewers, I'm Advocate Kia Rawat from Lexington Company. Today I'm going to talk about corporate governance. So corporate governance is a continuous process of applying the best management practices, ensuring the law is followed by the way intended, and gathering with all the ethical standards in form for effective management, meeting stakeholders' responsibility and complying in corporate social responsibilities. It contains policies and rules, maintain a strong relationship between the company, shareholders and the board of directors, management and the various stakeholders like employees, customers, government, suppliers and the general public. It applies to all kinds of organizations, profit or non-profit organizations. In this article, we shall discuss the definition, significance and objectives of corporate governance. So, principles of corporate governance are as follows. Number 1, accountability. Number 2, fairness. Number 3, transparency. Number 4, independence. Number 4, social responsibility. Then corporate governance in India. Here I would like to tell you the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, and Securities and Exchange Board of India, which is SEBI, is responsible for corporate governance initiative in India. The corporate sector of India faced major changes in the 1990s and liberalization. So, in the 1990s, SEBI regulated corporate governance in India through various laws like Security Contract Regulation Act 1956, Securities and Exchange Board of India 1992 and the Depositors of Act 1996. So, this is what corporate governance is all about, and the objective of corporate governance and how corporate governance came in India with different laws. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Till then, if you have any queries or any questions regarding corporate governance, do let me know in my comment section. I'll resolve all your queries regarding this. Thank you so much for watching my video.